think it's frozen. Deep boy first put it on, know how I pop out. Bullshit is not important, what I'ma rock out. Don't play with the... Someone come on through my heart, I think it's frozen.
Guys, welcome to another video on To The Limits. We have the orange M4 looking, and I like the interior too. It's red. The interior is nice.
Secure orange interior and exterior.
Oh, the interior is the same as the exterior. That's crazy. You see the intakes, man. He said it's basically full bolt-on and E50.
Yeah.
Full bolt-on and E50, 580 horsepower and how much torque? 640 torque. Oh, that's a lot of torque. The Hellcat, 730 horsepower, 723 torque. So I mean, the Hellcat has more power, more torque. He got more grip. He's lighter. How much does the M4 weigh?
Wait, this one I cat for 27, weigh 3,600 pounds.
That's 1,000 pounds difference. Oh my gosh. This might be the first loss on the channel. this might be the first L on the channel, but we're gonna see. If the cat doesn't pull power and we both don't spin, I'm hoping for a clean race. That's what I want. You know what I'm saying? Just both cars full potential, and let's see what happens. Open the bonnet for me, please. As long as it's taken care of, it miles really doesn't matter.
It has a bunch of servos. He's at 98,000.
There you go. Hellcat, 98,000 miles.
No, 91,000.
Holy shit.
91,000.
Hellcat upper pulley intake, cat delete and a tune. M4. You guys know what you guys see, man. Look at them pipes. Okay, the carbon fiber. All right, and you see the intakes at the front. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. So it has no cooling problems? Okay. Oh my gosh, yep. Prepare to get all right, Hellcat. Let's see what happens. If you guys think the M4 gonna win, write M4 in the comments with the orange symbol. If you think the Hellcat gonna win, write Hellcat in the comments with a blue symbol, and let's get this show on the road, man. Start of that L. On there. Let's see, man. Let's go. Let's get this show on the road. Ooh, you hear it sucking.
Oh my, yo! Ready for my wheel spin?
Spinning. Holy shit. That shit was spinning like a motherfucker. These tires do not grip. Oh shit, that's slow. That's the first L. It was spinning, boy. That shit was spinning like crazy. There they go again. Good.
Oh my God! What? Yo! Yo!
Alright, let's try it again. Oh, he gonna fully get me then. Yo, that's such a fucking close race though. Holy shit. Come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, come down. Come down, come down. Come. It is spinning though. I can't get it to grip. If it grips, that's gonna be. Yo, I feel one last one. I feel like if it grips, it can be a good race. Cause it's still spinning. Yo, alright, let's try it again. Guys, we need it to grip. Please grip, please grip. If you grip, we can win this. Please. That is a nice race. I'm not going to lie. I like that race. That's the type of race that you need. I got the bait. All right, I'm gonna feather it. Let's let them do it. We got enough space? Yeah? All right. All right, ready? Ready? There we go. There we fucking go. Yes, and it was still spinning. Holy shit, it was still fucking spinning. Hell yeah, now that was a nice race. There we go. It was still spinning, but we took that one. But he took the first two, so he still won. Good ass race. You're done? You're done? All right, cool. Bro, no, that was a good ass race. That last one was the best one we had. That was a good ass race. The Hellcat is faster than the M only when it grips. If it doesn't grip, it's not faster. But when it does grip, it's faster. Oh shit, I'm gonna buy some better tires, bro. He got on good needles. I got on the cheap ones. Well, not the cheap ones, but the summer ones. He got on track ones. That last one, boy. Okay, first L in the Hellcat. I'm gonna take that as an L. Obviously because of grip, but I'm gonna take that as an L. We lost that one because we won the last one when it finally gripped. It was still spinning, but I mean, that's still an L for the Hellcat, man. First L. He got 2 out of 3, so he won. Hope you guys enjoy that video though.
Those are some good runs.
That last one especially, I'm gonna give the victory to him because the first two, because he got 2 out of 3, so I'm gonna give him the victory. Yeah. So you won that one because the first two, that shit was spinning. You heard it, right?
Yeah.
The first two, it was just spinning. On the last one, it spun, but I put it in trap mode, so it's pulling the power a little bit, so it like helped, and then that one I won. But the first two, spinning ain't winning, people. Those, yeah, that's a nice ass M4, yo. That's the best race.
Mine, I'm getting the exact same setup.
But I'm gonna just get some diverted tires. Yo, that was lit. Those are the closest race. Other than my boy Brody, those are the closest race I've had, bro.